Welcome to this episode. I want to show you how to budget in a high-cost city. You live where costs are higher than the national median. That means your money needs a clear purpose from day one. Start by naming what matters most: home, travel, kids, dining, then match spending to those values. Assess your current life with simple totals for rent, utilities, groceries, and personal spending. Typical U.S. averages give you a frame. Rent about $1,063 month, utilities near $398, groceries roughly $302, and personal costs around $224. Build defenses. Keep a cash reserve, aim for an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months, and maintain proper renters and disability insurance. Automate savings and use retirement options like a 401k match or Roth choices to grow long-term security. With a clear plan, you align goals and spending so surprises don't derail progress. On this section, I'll show practical steps and small wins you can use right away in any big city. Here are the key takeaways on this video. Start by clarifying life priorities and set goals that match them. Track typical living costs to frame realistic expectations. Protect your finances with an emergency fund and proper insurance. Automate savings and leverage retirement benefits for long-term gains. Use a simple plan that balances control with flexibility for city life. Begin with the end in mind. Name the home or lifestyle you want, then use that vision to shape every financial choice. When you know what success looks like, your plan links directly to real goals instead of vague rules. Clarify values and priorities. List the things you won't give up: events, transit proximity, or weekend dining, so cuts focus on unnecessary spending without erasing what makes living here worthwhile. Map income, expenses, and leftover cash flow. Calculate your net take-home pay, then review bank and card statements for the last 3 months. Separate essential expenses from discretionary ones, and note deposits, subscriptions, and irregular charges that push up your monthly baseline. Define what success looks like where you live and translate it into measurable goals. List non-negotiables, so cuts protect what matters most. Tally net income and all expenses each month to compute average cash flow. Check your credit early. It affects apartment approvals and deposit amounts. Pick 3 top expense drivers and set simple monthly targets to track progress. Next steps: pick a basic tracking method, spreadsheet, or app and set monthly targets tied to your timeline. When you need a planning guide for travel or short-term savings, use this travel budget planning resource to align goals with spending. Pick a clear money plan that fits your routine and your goals. Start with a simple split, then tune it for local costs and your priorities. This keeps essentials covered while you still make steady progress towards savings and debt reduction. The 50-30-20 rule gives you a clean starting point: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. Use local rent, utilities, and grocery figures as your reality check and adjust the split if your costs push past the 50% target. Tag rent, transit, groceries, and basic services as needs. Cap discretionary spending and create a small buffer for irregular expenses so you avoid rating savings when timing surprises arrive. Tools like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard track categories and send alerts. Ask your employer about paycheck splits that send funds directly to savings. Automate transfers the day your paycheck lands so the month doesn't happen to you. Set monthly targets and a 15-minute weekly check to prevent category drift. If income varies, use a conservative floor and send extras to savings by rule. Category 50s, 30, 20 tones. Example: city adjusted option needs, rent, utilities, groceries. 50%, 55, 60% when rent is high. Wants, dining, entertainment. 30%, 15 to 25% trimmed if needs rise. Savings and debt, 20%, 15, 30% increase for aggressive goals. Count up front deposits and ongoing bills so housing fits your income from day one. Right-size housing and rent. Set a rent target under 30% of take-home pay when possible. Compare neighborhoods in your area for better apartment value without losing essentials. Plan for transportation, utilities, groceries, and insurance up front. Model monthly costs, not just base rent. Include utilities, building services, renter's insurance, and grocery estimates so your real expenses are clear. Account for city-specific fees, deposits, and services. Expect first month's rent plus a 1 to 2 month security deposit and possible application fees. Utility setup can require deposits, and credit checks may raise those amounts. Price transportation choices: transit pass, bike, or a car's fuel, parking, insurance, and maintenance. Plan moving and storage costs. Cross-state moves often run $4,000, $10,000. Factor higher renters and auto insurance premiums in many large cities so you stay covered. Review neighborhood trade-offs each year. Small moves can lower monthly costs while keeping commute and services convenient. Protect your cash with clear, ready defenses that keep small shocks from becoming emergencies. Start by holding a cash reserve you can reach fast for things like a broken phone, flat tire, or urgent dental work. Keep that reserve in a high-yield savings account so the funds grow a little while remaining liquid. Aim for a separate emergency savings fund that covers 3 to 6 months of current living expenses. If your job or income is unstable, consider extending the buffer to 9 to 12 months. Use short-term CDs only for sums you can lock briefly without penalty. Carry renter's insurance for belongings and liability. Expect higher premiums in dense markets. Add long-term disability insurance. Employer or group plans often cost less than individual policies. If you have a family, include life coverage size to replace living costs and goals. Automate transfers to your reserve and review coverage each year. Reserves buy you time and choices when sudden costs rise. For deeper planning on preserving wealth and protecting savings. Practical moves can shave major monthly costs across housing, transit, and food. Start with one change you can test for 30 days, then stack additional shifts that fit your routine. Share space or negotiate terms. Bring in roommates, ask for a lower rent by offering a longer lease, or accept an apartment a few neighborhoods out for better value. Compare the full package, rent plus utilities and transit, so you spot a real monthly advantage. Use public transportation passes when they lower per-trip costs. Bike or walk short routes and reserve rideshare for occasional trips. If you keep a car, carpool, optimize insurance, and keep up maintenance to avoid big repairs. Meal prep, buy staple items in bulk, and shop discount stores. Rotate pantry staples so grocery spending stays steady. Also use campus meal plans or supermarket apps for promos when available. Take advantage of free city events, student discounts at museums, and library resources. Source secondhand furniture and household items via community marketplaces to cut setup costs. Lower rent, roommates, longer lease, move to value areas. Compare housing, plus utilities, plus transit before signing. Prefer public transportation, biking, or carpooling over frequent rideshare. Save on food with meal prep, bulk buys, and discount stores. Use free events, student specials, and library access for entertainment. Category Quick Tactic. Expected monthly impact. Housing, DAR, rent share with roommate or negotiate longer lease. Save 10-30% on rent transportation, monthly transit pass, bike, or carpool. Save 20-60% versus daily ride share. Groceries, food bulk staples, meal prep, discount stores. Save 15-35% on grocery bills. Build a short list of one go-to housing fix, one transit option, and one grocery habit so you can act fast when prices shift. For practical updates that cut costs and help savings, set up systems that quietly grow your savings and shield your income from lifestyle drift. Automate savings and retirement contributions through payroll. Many employers let you split your paycheck so part goes straight into a savings account or a retirement plan. Contribute at least enough to capture any 401k match. If you have access, consider Roth 401k options or a mega backdoor Roth for extra tax advantage savings. Focus on high interest cards first to lower monthly expenses and improve your debt to income profile. That change can make renting easier and support future home plans. Protect credit by paying on time, keeping utilization low, and checking reports for errors. Better credit often means smaller deposits and lower borrowing costs where you live. Revisit goals, adjust categories, and celebrate progress. Review your budget each month and do a deeper reset quarterly so categories match local costs and your life changes. Track visible milestones, emergency fund targets, down payment savings, or other goals, so wins feel real. Action impact frequency. Automate paycheck splits and retirement, steady savings growth, each pay period, pay down high interest debt, lower expenses, better credit monthly. Monthly budget check, quarterly reset plan stays aligned with goals. Monthly, quarterly. Keep insurance and utilities under review and rebalance between savings and debt when income shifts. For extra reading on building investment habits from Steady Income. Conclusion. Finish strong by turning big ideas into small, repeatable steps for daily living. Clarify your values and map income, expenses, and cash flow so each choice aligns with your goals. Focus on the full housing package: home costs, rent, utilities, apartment fees, and deposits. Favor public transportation and efficient routes for lower transportation costs, then add car use only when it clearly pays off. Keep a cash reserve and an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months. Automate savings and retirement contributions. Protect credit and use local services, discounts, and roommates as ongoing advantages. Use these tips monthly and quarterly. Your city life can fuel progress when your plan stays simple, flexible, and values-led. Visit www.earnaroy.com.